Do you want to know how to make a website in less than 10 minutes? Today I'm gonna show you how to do it using the Hostinger web app, which is powered by AI and is very easy to use. Okay, let's dive in. Okay, so the first step is to go to the Hostinger control panel. I already have my account here, which has 3 domain names and 1 hosting. And here, as you can see, I have this website, which is my portfolio. It's called dealingyou.site. We're gonna take this one as a reference. Then we go to the control panel here in the Hostinger backend. And in here, you have this option in the website on the left, as you can see. It's called the website builder. So we're gonna go here, and here we're gonna type on who's the website for. I'm just gonna type myself or my business, and then we're gonna create a new one. So we just click on create. And in this case, we're gonna use the Hostinger website web builder. Okay, so there you go. We can also add the domain name, but as you can see here, is just to purchase and the domain name, which I already have mine in this Hostinger app. In this case, we're gonna skip the domain name. We're just gonna use the template. And here we're gonna just fill the form with the name of the website or the brand name. What is the type of the website? So in this case, we just type portfolio here. And then in the description, I'm just gonna type I'm a digital designer based in Shanghai with more than 15 years of experience working with agencies with a range of skill set from interactive art direction, web and app design, video production, branding, and personal branding. Okay, this is just an example. You fill it up with your skills or based on your profile. And then in the style, we're gonna just leave it as surprise me, color surprise me, and then just click on create a website. Okay, and then we wait. In here is creating all the template, I guess, and putting all the text. Okay, and there you have it, in less than 3 minutes actually. So here we have our base for the website, and also it filled up all the content automatically, even create a contact form. Okay, it's very complete. Actually, with the WordPress, you can also do something very similar. But I guess in this website builder, it generates the contact form and already linked or very easily to link. I don't know if WordPress can do that. This is the foundation of this website. Let's see how you can change the logo. For example, we go here. I have my logo already here, which is a PNG. What else? Let's see how you change you can see all the forms that they have. And also you can change the email here. You can change the buttons. It's very straightforward. It's very easy. Okay. Let's do it as an example. Let's add another section. So we do it similar as my website here, which has 3 sections in this main section, work. And here we're gonna do a project. We're gonna use this project like this our projects as example, and then we change this to branding. Okay, so you simple drag and drop it. Okay, and then you organize it wherever you want to do it. Okay, let's do another section called video. We just simple drag and drop it, very easy. And then we just upload another image just to make it look more appealing and see the results. Okay, let's see how to change this image. You just click it and then upload a new image. Okay, here you can make the radius of the image more round here by just changing the corner radius bar. And let's ask to the AI how we can upload a video if I want to have a video on the background. It's actually not that easy. I thought it was easy to do, but it's not very simple. Apparently, you have to link a YouTube video and put it inside, but it's not the same as WordPress that you can just put the video in the host, and then it's very easy to do it. In this case, I think it's not that easy. And also, you can translate the whole website. For example, here in Spanish. So we can use the Colombian flag. Okay, now let's see how you upload the website in the server. Actually, it's not that simple. You can download the website, I guess, in a zip file, and then you just upload it with the HTML and the CSS and everything. But it's not that simple as just publish and then publish automatically in the domain name. I guess you have to first attach the domain name with the web builder, but in this case we didn't do it, so that's why it asks to download the zip file and then upload it with that FTP. Okay, so in conclusion, this website builder, it's very simple to use. You can create a website in less than 5 minutes. The other thing that I was a bit disappointed is that I couldn't make it the videos to put it in the background, because in WordPress you just put the video on the server and then you just put the background in CSS just to make it as for example as a hero image. Something that I didn't find how to do it, or maybe I'm doing it wrong, I don't know. And also the publish website, I didn't find how to publish it directly with the website builder. My guess is that you had to first attach your domain name, which we didn't do it at the beginning, so maybe that's why it wasn't that easy. But in conclusion, I think it's something similar if you don't have experience building websites. It's very straightforward. My recommendation is just to attach the domain name from the beginning. In my case, I already have my domain name, so that's why it's asking me to download the website in a zip file. And that's it for this video. If you like it, please thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell to receive updates on my new videos. And remember, the AI of today is just the beginning. The best is yet to come. See you guys next time. Bye bye.